Before installation, inspect the container carefully to ensure its design, dimensions, rating, testing, identification, nameplate, and operation requirements comply with the international standards. Heavy-duty container is a must, max rated loads 30 ton.
All 20-foot standard containers should be no more than 5 years and under good condition.
Containers should be suitable for highway, railway, and ocean transportation. No repair trace is allowed on outer container panels. Containers should be free of any dangerous cargo markings or labels, and haven't loaded any radioactive or toxic material or harmful to humans. Check to fully workable locking bars are on either door. Either door bolt has a vertical groove or recess aside. The container interior must be clean and dry, with no debris, sharp edges, floor splinters, loose floor screws, dents, or visible welding repair marks. No contaminants inside the container that could cause cross-contamination with the cargo or react with the Flexitank materials. Operators should inspect the container according to the container selection standards. Operators should inspect the container according to the container selection standards. After the inspection, clean the container floor to ensure it is free of any debris or foreign objects. Protect any areas that could potentially damage to the Flexitank. Use corrugated paper on the container and wall. Operators must wear shoe covers before laying the bottom corrugated paper. Use corrugated paper to protect the container floor. Make sure there is overlap for 15 cm in the bottom side. Open the outer packaging. Place the Flexitank into the container. Unfold the valve end of the Flexitank toward the container doors, aligning it flat with the container walls. Check the Flexitank position to make sure the bed metal folding line is in the same line with container. Secure the rear lifting belts on both sides of the Flexitank to the hooks on the container side walls. Take one rope and fix it horizontally across the upper part of the air vent to the hooks on both container side walls. Secure another rope to the air vent and pull it vertically from the horizontal rope. Fold 15 cm front part of bed to save a space for cardboard steel bar installation. Place the cardboard inside the container. Install the adjustable steel bars and tighten the bolts. Insert supporting paper tubes between the steel bars. If the loading location is different from the installation location, secure the paper tubes with tape. Install the cardboard. Push the valve outward through the cutout. Pay attention to the bottom of the hollow bar to avoid pinching or pressing the Flexitank. Fix the hollow bar to the cardboard to prevent movement during filling. Use rope or cable TS to secure all steel bars through the holes in the cardboard. Secure the two lifting belts on both sides of the Flexitank near the container door to the hooks on the container side walls. Fix the center lifting belt at the valve end to the front steel bar. Hang the rope tied to the air vent onto the top of the container door frame. Install plastic supports in the middle of the steel bars. Roll up the excess corrugated paper on the right side and place it neatly under the valve. Check the bag no any abnormalities. Ensure the steel bars and cardboard are secure. Close the left container door. Attach a warning label to the locking rods. Apply door seal on the left container door. Affix warning posters on both sides of the container. Flexitank installation completed. Unfold the corrugated paper on the right side. Take off valve cap and unscrew the plug. Connect the loading pipe, ensuring it remains parallel with the valve. Place the valve as bubble wrap underneath the valve. Turn the valve handle counterclockwise to fully open the valve. Start the machine and begin loading. As the liquid level rises, manually adjust the air vent valve. When the target volume is reached, stop the machine. Disconnect the loading pipe, tighten the plug, and reinstall the dust cap. Cut and remove the bubble wrap and corrugated paper near the container door area. Attach a security seal to the dust cap to ensure cargo integrity. Detach the rope from the air vent at the door end. Close the right container door, ensuring the locking rods, latches, and handles are in proper position and functioning correctly. Install a seal at the bottom of the locking rod. Loading process completed.